Glaucoma Research Foundation has helped to identify and encourage major research efforts that have improved treatment for glaucoma patients and enlisted scientists in the fight to cure glaucoma. The impact of Glaucoma Research Foundation is felt around the world and at the highest levels in government and industry. Let's look at some examples of this catalytic effect. Glaucoma Research Foundation initiated and funded the collaborative normal tension glaucoma study to prove that lowering eye pressure preserves vision. This study was the first clinical trial to prove that lowering eye pressure actually saves vision, and it led to many more extensive clinical trials around the world to study which patients benefit most from lowering pressure and how effective pressure lowering is to preserving sight. Today, the sole treatment for glaucoma is lowering the pressure in the eye. Today, new eye drops or devices to treat glaucoma that lower eye pressure are readily approved by the FDA, simply by demonstrating that ability to lower eye pressure. As the result of a well-defined regulatory approval process, excellent new medications have been developed, and millions of patients around the world have been able to preserve their vision. By funding that initial study, Glaucoma Research Foundation was a catalyst for these important developments, which literally transformed clinical care for patients. Glaucoma Research Foundation initiated and funded a collaborative team of scientists, which we call Catalyst for a Cure. Their goal was to discover how glaucoma damages the optic nerve. Bringing together neuroscientists and molecular biologists, the Catalyst for a Cure team of laboratories identified some of the earliest changes to the optic nerve and tested new treatments to preserve vision. Their discoveries inspired other labs and scientists and led to a resurgence of interest in protecting the optic nerve from glaucoma damage. Glaucoma Research Foundation has funded more than 200 individual scientists' research projects to study all aspects of glaucoma to discover new treatments and ultimately a cure. These scientists publish their research findings and stimulate and inspire others to work on curing glaucoma. Curing glaucoma is a bigger job than can be accomplished by one scientist or one laboratory or one organization or even by a group of scientists. But working together across hundreds of labs and scientists and industry and government, we will find better treatments and a cure. Our job is to continue to be a catalyst for a cure for glaucoma and to keep the research community focused on solving this leading cause of blindness in the world. Thank you for your ongoing support and for believing in a world free from glaucoma.